they don't trust traditional politicians. They want discipline, truth, and courage. And men say that Fred Matiang'i anafit your description. Na kwa wengi, Ruto, Kindiki, Kalonzo Gachagua looks like a recycled politics. Adding Matiang'i brings freshness and a chance to reset Kenya's leadership story. Why it is dangerous to both sides? If Fred Matiang'i runs, Ruto's side itapoteza. Only hardworking leader narrative. Opposition also loses the reformist and middle class vote. Kenyans will gain a neutral choice. Someone not tied to either political dynasty. And that's why both camps pretend that he doesn't matter. But deep down, wanajua he has a yani Fred Matiang'i is a real threat to them. The silent candidate everyone fears is Fred Matiang'i. Matiang'i doesn't need to shout. His record speaks. From interior to education, he has shown leadership under pressure. And if he steps back into the arena, it will not just be another election. It will be a reset of Kenya's political system. President Ruto fears Fred Matiang'i because he's efficient. Opposition pia wanaogopa yeye because he's independent. And Gen Z wanampenda because he's real. Na huyu ndio kiongozi wanataka. So if Fred Matiang'i ever says I am running, trust me, the 2027 race will never be the same again. Itakuwa a game changer in 2027.